Yo guys, it's your boy Mohamad back again with another video, and I don't know how this happened, I don't know why this happened, but I woke up in the morning today, I look outside my window and I realized that Christmas has come 1 month late in London.
Okay.
But it's literally the 24th of January and now it started snowing in London. But that's not the reason I'm making this video. The actual reason I'm making the video today is to update you guys on how the business is going, how my agency is going, and pretty much just give you an update on where we are. We're still pretty much stagnant in the same spot. We're trying to get our first client, but what we're doing is we're experimenting with a few reach out methods. And in this video today, you're going to see us do Loom reach out. And the reason we're in this place is because we hate cold calling, I'm not gonna lie. So if any of you guys want to do cold calling for our business, then hit me up and we'll see where it goes. But like I said, in this video, you're going to see me do a Loom reach out, which is pretty much me recording my screen, my webcam, talking through the business, what they're doing well, what they're doing bad, and how they can improve and how we can help them improve their business. And pretty much you're going to see me do that for one client. It's just a quick 5-minute audit, because if I want to do a longer one, I'd have to pay for the premium version. I don't want to do that. So pretty much I'm going to be wearing a shirt. So not this, I'm going to be wearing a black shirt just to look formal, just to look the part. And I'm going to see you guys at the end of the video, quickly talk about some other stuff, and that's pretty much it. And I just forgot to mention, if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys already know the drill. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello, my name is Mohamad. I hope you're doing well. I hope this email finds you well. And I respect your time. I just want to take a few minutes just to go over your business real quick, and I hope you respect mine as well by watching this. So my VA pretty much sent me your business a few days ago, and I really like, I'm not gonna lie, I really like your business. I can see that you're a new business from all your social media and stuff, and yeah, it's actually crazy because you already look so established in real estate. I can see about your website and stuff. So pretty much what we do is we're a social media marketing agency, and from what I've seen from your website, you can use a lot of social media in your business to help it grow, because you're already established and stuff. I can see that you're doing a really good job already with your business, but you can get that little push further with social media if you implement some of the strategies and stuff that I can talk about with you in a meeting. I'm going to have some of my socials down below in the email as well, such as my my agency and stuff, so our Facebook, our Instagram, our LinkedIn as well, if you want to see that. And I just want to quickly go over some of your business, your website, your Facebook and stuff, and see what you're doing and where you can improve, where we can come in, step in and help you take your business to the next level. And like I said, I'm just going to have a few stuff in the email so you can check us out as well. And the first thing I wanted to do was just go over your website real quick. And usually I would come here, I would critique your website. I'd say, this is what you should be doing, this is what you should be doing. But when I look at your website, I can see that you actually know what you're doing with the website. I don't know if you created it yourself, if you had someone professionally make it, but it looks amazing, I'm not gonna lie. There's pretty much no room for improvement when it comes to your website. You've done everything perfectly, but there's only one thing that you haven't really done. And if we come here, you haven't implemented a Facebook pixel, sorry. And pretty much what a Facebook pixel does, it monitors every single person who visits your website, and you can use them later in the Facebook ads manager to retarget them or create lookalike audiences and stuff. Some of this stuff I can talk about in a meeting after this if you're really interested. When we come on Facebook, I can see that you're not really consistent on Facebook, and I'm not really sure what your goal is with your business. And by the way, I really like this advert. This advert right here looks amazing. I can see you got all your information, everything in the description, your website, your email, which is all perfect. But you also have 216 likes, which I think you can take to the next level. You can probably take it to 10, 20,000 by running Facebook adverts, Instagram adverts and stuff. But Facebook is looking pretty good. Obviously there is room for improvement, and we can help you with that if you really wanted to. But when we come to the Facebook ads library, we can also see that you're not running any adverts. I'm not really sure why this is. Maybe you're just taking a bit of time for now because you're a new business or something like that. But I can see that you're not running any adverts currently, which I don't really know why. I think your business can benefit a lot from them, especially if it's done right, if the copyright is done correctly, written properly. And pretty much Facebook and Instagram are linked. I'm not sure if you really knew that, but by running Facebook adverts, you can target literally around 2.3 billion people. Obviously, you're not going to be targeting everyone on the platform. You're going to probably be targeting about 500,000 to 1 million people around your business, so maybe in London and stuff. And yeah, so I'm pretty sure you can benefit a lot from running Facebook adverts. For example, just targeting people around your area who you are interested in, for example, Zoopla, Rightmove, etc. I think that can really benefit your business, and you can see a lot of traction pick up if you start running Facebook adverts. And when we come on Instagram, I can see you only have 50 followers. And I really like what you do with your posts, like you're giving recaps and market knowledge and stuff to people who might not know a lot about real estate. You got a call to action right here in your description, a lot of tags, but I see that you're not getting too much. You're not getting too many people interacting with your stuff, with your posts. You only got 3 likes on this one, and it was last year December. So consistency, you can work on consistency on your website as well if you wanted, on not on your website, sorry, on Instagram. And pretty much, if what I'm talking about interests you in any way, then I'm gonna have a quick calendar in the email as well, which you can book a time or a slot where you can just talk about, well, me and you can just talk about how our business can help yours grow on social media. So if that sounds interesting to you, then tell me what your calendar looks like and just get in touch. Okay, so that was the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed that, then like the video, tell me that you enjoyed it, and tell me that you guys want to see some more reaching out. If you guys want me to update you on milestones with the agency, milestones on where we're at with reaching out, getting our first client, stuff like that, then just tell me in the comment section, I'll do that. But pretty much what we did is we audited the business. We told them how we can help them. Pretty much we're just in a testing phase right now with our agency, just seeing what works, what doesn't work with reaching out. And as soon as we get our first client, that's when I feel like the ball's gonna really start rolling. We're gonna start picking up a lot of traction, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But if you guys enjoyed the video, then you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.